Do you know you can start making money from TikTok even if you are not in an eligible country? So on this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to create international TikTok account for free. For free, oh. So TikTok are currently paying creators when they upload or create videos on their platform. There are few countries that are eligible for this monetization. Countries like US, UK, Australia, Canada, and Germany, yeah, Italy, yeah. Only creators that have this international TikTok account can earn money from Nigeria. Not everyone that's creating content in Nigeria that is earning money from it, because Nigeria is not an eligible country for TikTok monetization. So I'm going to give you guys step-by-step guide on how to achieve that. It's not a difficult process and it's not complicated. It's something straightforward and simple. So I'm going to be showing you on this video how to achieve that, how to get an international TikTok account. But if you want to get this international TikTok account, even if you have created a TikTok account previously and you want to create this international TikTok account, please make sure you create another new Gmail. Use the previous mail you use in your former account to create this new TikTok account, because it's going to be clashing. You're going to be seeing your old account here, and you don't want that to happen. So you start everything from scratch. You know how you created the old one from scratch. That's how it starts from scratch, by you creating a new Gmail and that. So make sure you create a new Gmail for this your international TikTok account. That is the first step. This is what you should do first. Make sure you create a Gmail and keep it aside. So for me, I had a TikTok account while in Nigeria. So when I relocated, I noticed that I cannot monetize that my TikTok account. So I had to like abandon that account. Like, it's really a painful stuff, but I just had to abandon the account, and I started a new one. I created a new account where I am, because where I am is eligible for international TikTok monetization. So I had to create a new account. So before we get right into this video, I am Linda Tony and I am a content creator. I create educational content on this channel. I give out tips and tricks on how to. I also create content on video editing. I do a lot of things here on this my content. I do a lot of things here on this my page. I do a lot of things here on this my channel. This my channel is mainly an educative channel where you can get info for a valuable information that will help your life or help you one or two way. So that's what I do here. If this is what you're interested in, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also leave a comment for me in the comment section, because this is the only way YouTube can push this video to wider range of audience, or to people that are looking for a way to create TikTok international accounts. So to create your international TikTok account, you need your mobile phone or your laptop. Secondly is your TikTok app, which you will get through your browser. Third one here is VPN. What is VPN? VPN is an app that makes you change your location. Like, it makes you look like you are in a particular location even if you are not there. Like, for example, now if you're in Nigeria and you're using VPN to log to TikTok, it will be showing the location where that VPN register you connect you to. For example, if the VPN connects you to US, even if you log to TikTok, it will be showing US. Yes, it will be showing your location USA, or or you can show your location UK. Depends on the country the VPN connects you to. You understand? That's just what VPN is all about. And there are lots of VPN apps. There are some that are for free and there are some that are expensive to subscribe to. But what you are going to be making use of here is the Thunder VPN. So before you do this, you have to go to your phone, your Play Store or your Apple Store. You download Thunder VPN. So this is what it looks like. So I'm using the free version of the VPN, which is Thunder. Once I click on that, it will take me here. So I didn't want to allow this one. I clicked on don't allow. It took me back again. So it forced me to allow this VPN configuration on my phone also. So I allowed it. Then automatically I noticed that I've assigned me to United States. So after that, I clicked on the United States. Then it now showed me that VIP, that's currently my current coins is 3. So if I want to get more coins, I have to watch their ad. Then this is the subscriptions, the 1 month, and I have 3 days of trials. The next step here, I will then click on tap to connect. Once I click on that, it will start connecting. Then I'm going to watch this ad. After the ad, then automatically it have connected me to USA. So this is how you just connect, and that is all. So how you notice that your VPN has connected is you look at up there, you are going to see where they wrote VPN. So that is to show that you have gotten connected. I am currently in United States, even though I am not there, but my online location shows that I am there. So if you notice here now, I have just 2 coins. So whenever you go in, it will take away 1 coin. So that's how it works here. So if I connect again, 1 coin to go, I'll watch ad and that. So that's just how the Thunder VPN works. The next step here, you go to your Chrome or your Firefox, and you are going to do what? Search for tiktok.com. Sign in with your email, not your phone number. Sign in with your email. You cannot go there and go and be signing with your phone number while your location is showing US and you're using Nigerian number to sign in. No. So that is why you're going to use your Gmail. That's why I told you to create a new Gmail account. So you're going to sign in with your Gmail, your new Gmail, not phone number. Then you go to your TikTok app. So once you click on that, you will now add a new account to your TikTok. Even if you have an account before, it's no problem. So I'm going to open my TikTok app now. Then I'll click on that arrow up there to add a new account. So once I click on that, so I'm going to click on sign up. This is because this is a new and TikTok. So I'm not logging in. I'm signing up to start from afresh. That is why I'm signing up. So for you now, you have to sign up. Then you have to like feed this up, your birthday and everything. After filling all this blah 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 blah, I did all this thing off camera, so you can do yours. Just keep on reading and continue the process. So this is the new TikTok page I created. Then this is how it look like. Then you click on that 3 dots. So once you just see this creator, academic and TikTok studio, then you are good to go. You have created your international TikTok account. But remember, while signing into your new international TikTok account you just created, make sure your VPN is connected. When you're setting everything up, make sure your VPN is connected. The next thing here, you will now click on this 3 line here. And once you click on that 3 line, it will take you to, you will now see creators tools. Once you see this creators tools, congratulations, you have opened your international TikTok account. So now go and make the money, let us chop, make the money. So now just go there and start making your cool cash. And also, once you open this international TikTok account, there are rules and guidelines you have to follow so that your accounts don't get deactivated or banned. Okay, so you have to really be careful. International TikTok account is not the same as your normal TikTok account you do. There are rules there for you to start earning and for you not to get banned, because when you talk about international, it's globally, like, so there are some content that they filter, and you need to be original. You have to show originality. Hey, Jesus, you have to show originality in your content. One of the rule here is you must not post videos or content from your old TikTok account to this new one. Don't do that, because if you do that, TikTok is going to flag you. You are going to put in your new international TikTok account in high risk of deactivation. So don't do that. So whatever content you have in your previous account, just forget about it. I tell you. Just forget about it. It's painful, but this is the price you have to pay. You keep learning every day. So just forget about it and start creating new content. I hope you guys are finding this video interesting. And if you do, hope you have liked this video and subscribe to this channel. And also follow me on my TikTok account. This is my TikTok account here. This is my main TikTok account. So follow me on my TikTok account at LindaTony4. Follow me there. There I give a lot of inspirational and motivational content there. So go there and get spirited. Build your spirit up. So please support me as I am supporting you. This is just the only thing you can do for me. I'm not asking you. I'm giving you this content for free. This is something that a lot of people pay massively for. A lot of people are paying people to open for them international TikTok account, and at the end of the day, nothing. They are not saying the account might not be functioning well and that, but this one, I'm giving you this content for free, and the only way for you to pay me back is you liking this video and subscribing to this channel. Finish. Please support me as I am supporting you. Okay. Thank you as you do so. Rules and guidelines that you need to follow once you open an international TikTok account here. Number 1, don't post videos or content from your previous TikTok account. I've said this before. Don't duet people's video on your account for international TikTok account. Don't do it. The third one here is don't switch to business account if you want to make money on TikTok. You have to use what your personal account. I remember that when I first created my TikTok, this my TikTok account. I thought because it's business now, we are doing business, right? Me, I'm going there with the mindset of making money. So I thought it was business. So when I switched to business, they now told me that music, I couldn't even use some kind of song. They told me that it's not what. So when I started checking, I noticed that the only way for me to start earning from my content is to switch to my personal account. So that's how I now switch back to personal account. Because what are you saying? Why will I come to TikTok and I'll come and be giving my why will I come to TikTok and I'll come and be giving my content for free? For what now? That's just that. So if you want to make money, make sure your account is on personal account, not on business account. So to be eligible for TikTok monetization, it has 3 requirements. The first requirement here is you must have up to 10,000 followers. The second requirement here is that you must have at least 100,000 videos view, 100,000 video view in the last 30 days, that's in the last 1 month. The third one here is be at least 18 years. I have a bonus tip to give you guys, which nobody will tell you, but I'm going to tell you this tip. So if you have watched the video to this time, it's your luck. But if for those that left that didn't watch the video to this time, I'm so sorry for them. Like this TikTok monetization I'm talking about now, they say you must have up to 10,000 followers to start earning from TikTok. Yeah, that one too is there. Once you have up to 1,000 followers, you can start making money from TikTok shop. Yes, you can start making money from TikTok shop. You join them like an influencer, you partner with some brand, they give you their product and you'll be given a link. Once someone buy their product through your link, you'll be paid commission for it. This is what a lot of people that have gotten up to 1,000 followers on TikTok are doing right now to make money while they are waiting for the 10K followers. You understand? So it not necessarily mean that if you reach 1,000 you just wait till you reach 10K to start making money. No, once you get to 1,000 you can start partnership with brands, like start getting commission for their products you display on your TikTok account. And also another thing here is you going live. Once you reach up to 1,000 you can start going live and people start giving you stars, start giving you all those gifts on your live. So this is another way for you to start making money. This is all I have to say. If you have more to say, let us know in the comment section. And if you have any question to ask about this video, let me know in the comment section and I'll come there and help you out with that. Okay, please, you can follow me on TikTok at LindaTony4, also on Facebook at LindaTony. And please do well to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and you can also share this video to your friends or those that are having difficulties creating their international TikTok account. You can also share this video to them or also tell someone about my page. Thank you all for watching and see you all in my next video. I love you all. Remain blessed. Bye bye.